This is an apple. These are apples. This is a banana. These are bananas. This is a carrot. These are carrots. This is a strawberry. These are strawberries. This is a ball. These are balls. What is this? This is a banana. What are these? These are apples. What is this? This is a carrot. You are so smart. Well done. Pawtunes English. Subscribe for more.